morning class. So kindly stand up for the opening prayer. To be led by Miss Magdalena. Okay, again, good morning class. Good morning, Ma'am Jessa. Okay, so before you sit down, kindly pick up some pieces of trash to your tables or your Okay, so kumusta ang everyone? Okay lang. Ano lagi mo gano'n yan? Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay, um, so today I am your teacher. So do you know my name? No. Kaya ko sa name wala. No, ma. Wala? Dinaya. So, I am your teacher. Yes. Wala lang po, hindi ko na brilyante. Yeah, asa lang po dito. Ang sagot ko. Nakakita ninyo? Okay, so I am your teacher, Jessa. So now, let me check your attendance. Who is absent? Say absent. Monica, Jayan, Palma, Sylvia, Joy, Hazel, yung ano mga absent sila? Nasa letter? Okay, so, karon, let me ask you what was our previous topic. Study. Isa man. Tawag yung balat. Okay. So now, I have my classroom rules. It stands for learn, listen attentively to the teacher and classmates. So when someone is in front, you need to listen, really magkakisa before. Then engage actively in all class activities. So may mga performance, mga book activities. So participate mo para mo participate. Then A, act responsibly in words and actions. Then R, respect everyone in the classroom. Then N, never stop trying and always do your best. So do you understand? Yes. Right. So now, let's play a game. Okay, mo sa jumble words? Yeah. Okay, so mag-process mo dali o mga jumble, yung mga letters na then inyong form mo ka ng correct words. So, let's start. Isa na. Okay, ito. Character. Sorry.
Character.
God is perfect. No.
Character.
Okay, very good. Next. Yeah, Christine. Study. Study free. Study. Alright, study. Next. Wow, very good. Next. Alright. So, So, isa to, pinamahalin. Ako! Elements. Di ko elements. So, mga words na Thanks, Mom. So, saan natin yung pagkasahan? Ako lang. Oh, Ma'am, ako lang. Ma'am, yung Ma'am, ako, Ma'am. Di, wala sa tinapot yung para mo-participate mo. Okay, so, one. How do these words connect in our literature? Raise your hand. Christine.
How those elements of the story connect to the literature by it helps the readers to fully understand the story and especially sa vertical quotient. It helps the readers to fully understand the whole without like the sequence like mas magaling nila may bukan ang mga central message sa mismo sa story and also kaya
So, given that, how do these words connect to
analyzing its character, so
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's give them a Sangre de Naya applause. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, R. So based on the Kanamo words, what could be our name? Okay, so our topic for today is all about analyzing the elements of your story and then underlying to the theme of the Halloween Prince by Oscar
Wilde.
So here is our lesson objectives. The end of the lesson is then able to identify the key elements of your story and explain how they contribute to the theme of the Happy Prince. Share insights about the message of the story and apply them to real life experiences. And orally present a group created scenario showing how story elements contribute to the theme. So, but before that, let's have an activity. It's a group analysis. So, here's the instruction. Class will be divided into 3 groups. Banana ko yung mga groups. Okay, so, ano itong gamiton? Then, each group will analyze an excerpt from the Happy Bricks. Then, muna yung mga group class. So, group 1, characters and the roles. So, group 2, settings and its significance. Group 3, conflict and symbols and their meanings. Then each group is not a one representative. So, kung ano sa inyong group, you will be given 3 minutes. Where's my 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Hmm? So, good morning, everyone. So, currently we are assigned to discuss a little bit about studying and significance. So, in the story, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. So, its setting is in the city. So, a name city siya na wala pa siya ginagawa na European entity. Kanya, yan significance na yung ang praise kaya nag-sacrifice ito sa ikatan niya ang golden that okay, so let's give like some Zanaya applause. One, two, three, go! One, two, three, one, two, three. Arr, arr. Okay, Pero, Rera. Ang second thing okay, pero let's So, in our group, like, we are chosen to select the plot and the symbolism of the story. So, actually, ano, na character versus society. Kaya, di ba, ang main character which is the Happy Princess? Pero, tanaw, is the na, makita niyo na, result ito ang city. So, sa ang kanang society sa world, nakita niyo, or ang mga tao. So, as a statue, nakita niya, gusto niya ng mga tao siya, bahala sa statue ng siya. And then sa symbolism sa it symbolizes selfless love and compassion. Di ba, bisa nung statue siya kayo, nainutugtog na kanang swallow sa iya katagaw, at isuko niya na, buwan ang rutina na silang sword, o mag-sapphire na silang para ihatag sa kabulpur, nagumad o sa poor na writer. Selfless love. Okay, let's see if we win. Sangre de Naya applause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Arr, arr. So now, let's proceed to our discussion between the elements of a short story. So, yun ang may mga idea no kanang kung saan yung mga elements sa short story. So now, discuss yung na natin. So a short story is a brief narrative that is made up of central elements how develop meaning and structure. So, kung may mga short story, short na natin siya long. Kaya, ano siya is kanang ginawa nito sa mga author na either creative or imaginative mind. So, lahat siya iba na yung mga moral lessons. Then next, we have the character, mga elements, character, setting, context, and symbol. So, character are the people, figures in the story who perform actions of the events of the story. So, kung yun na character, muna ang kapadagan sa mga asa story. So, sila ang kapadagan, sila galakaw, kapadagan na sila. So, pwede sila, animals, same animals. Pwede siya, pwede po character, pwede po plants, pwede person, things, or bisa sama. Gikan sa imagination sa color. Then setting refers to the time and place where the story happens to provide background and context. So, kung setting mo, asa o studying, tinabuha ang mga story. Nagdala mga sequence, then from realization bitaw nga buot bitaw ihatag sa story or sa author sa mga readers. Para sa kinamapit niya sa ilang real life experiences or so I have here the story sa The Happy Prince. Wala na siya, full kanang short story. So I will read. The story begins with the statue of a happy prince na tiny on a high column overlooking the sea. The statue is covered with gold, with sapphire red eyes and a ruby in its color. From its position, everyone can read. Oy! Balik. 1, 2, 3. The story begins with a statue of the happy prince standing on a high column overlooking the city. The statue is covered in gold with sapphires for eyes and a ruby in his sword. From his position, he sees the suffering and poverty of the people below. One night, a swallow lands at the tiger's feet. The bird plans to migrate to a warm place but frets first. The happy prince suddenly speaks and surprises the swallow. He explains that he wants to live a happy life, but now that he sees the pain and suffering of his people. The happy prince asks the swallow to help him. He tells him to take the ruby from his sword and give it to a poor woman whose child is sick. The swallow agrees and delivers it. Next, the happy prince asks the swallow to take one of his sapphires and give it to a poor writer who is hungry and struggling. Again, the swallow agrees. Then, the happy prince asks the swallow to take his remaining sapphire and give it to a poor master. Although the swallow obeys. As winter becomes colder, the swallow becomes weaker but decides to stay with the happy prince to continue helping the poor. He gives away all the remaining gold and leaves us happy. Eventually, the happy prince becomes dull and gray, and the swallow dies from exhaustion and cold at sea. The broken heart of the happy prince also falls apart. In the end, the townspeople remove the statue because it no longer looks beautiful. However, in heaven, God values the broken heart of the little swallow as the most precious things in the city. So, gets from the story. Yes. So, pinakabos na the happy prince. Matay? Matay na. Matay na po. So I have here guide questions. So in the story that we will read, what is the general? Raise your hand. Ito ka horror no? Okay, so let's give me Sangre de Naya applause.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. R.
Next question. What are the elements found in the short story? Elements. Kung ano na discuss? Okay. Very good first. Sorry, Chuchu. Next question. What is the theme of the story? Okay, Lillian. The theme of the story is about even though ang papa characters talk to people in a way that the readers can easily understand what the story is all about and ma-identify mo kung saan ang attitude sa pagkakataon ng feelings. And then in that way, makano ka na.
Okay, very good, alright. Next question. In what ways does the setting influence the story? Okay, Rika. So, anak, pasad mo? Yatag yun yung sa uban, sa isa wala. Na mo? Sure mo? Okay, number 6. What conflict is presented in the story? Number 1. Okay, Inya. So, the conflict is presented in the story is man versus ang man si Happy Prince that actually our kanang niya ang mga tao na iyan kanang kabangan wala na iyang mga ditukas very good Inya. So next, what symbols are used in the story and what do they represent? I mean,
Ang Gerald and Gold because ang Gerald and Gold shows it represents may magamit siya as a people na nag-gusto. And the highlight shots na yung
11.
For me, I say another symbol is equal. It represents is heart or happiness niya. Kaya di ba if tabang sa mga people and then wala ang tawag di kuha ng bibuhat, matod na sad sila mo
Okay, next question. How do these elements work together with dealing with colors?
So these elements work together in revealing the theme to help readers to understand the story more clearly and helps this element helps readers not to confuse what the story is about.
Okay, so let's give everyone a summary Danaya applause. Okay, kindly stand. Everyone, summary Danaya applause. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Arf, arf. Wala again. So, another question. So, how do the elements of the short story work together to create meaning? One. Pili ko. College. So how do the elements of a short story work together to create meaning? So the elements help the story to be more understandable and also sa story bitaw na help nakatabang ang elements para magkasunod-sunod ang story ug mas masabtan nimo ilahang meanings na ma-appreciate sad nimo ang story sa gikan siya sa beginning to the end. Okay, very good, Hollis. Number two. Number two. In what ways do these elements help readers understand the theme? Okay, Lauren.
These elements work together by supporting and building a time together to understand what the author's message conveyed in the story, which is what we call the theme.
Okay, very good, Lauren. Next question. Why is it important to consider all elements when analyzing a lecture? Okay, Elise.
Why is it important to consider all elements when analyzing a literary text? So for me, it's very important because it gives a different contribution when we analyze a text because kasi mga contribution na kanang mo maka-help na mas ma-understand nato ang maong text.
Okay, very good. Sunod. How can the theme of the story influence the actions in your daily life? Naman. Number 4.
Ang theme sa story is dito daw ka na dili ka mag-matter kung sa ako ang ito ang gatuhan para parehasan na tuwan ko sa happy friends ka ng sunay kinagyan mo is ka ng although na maayo dito sa ng wala kayo kung saan yung makuha na itong napunta sa harmony mo sa Disney was live a happy life. So, parang, hindi na yung mag-matter ang kung sa ito patakalit ng para na ito is kung na ito mas pero sa ng tao ay so, ilang isang kayo ilang yung educate so, hindi nag-represent siya ng anak. Kanina yung nakuha na ito sa kalibutan is hindi mag-matter pa kaya ng tao kaya ito sa class kaya bahala din sa ibalik sa tao sa kaibigan at the end kung wala na nadali at least nanotolay mo bali na tumawid ko ditong bago din ang ikaw dito ang aning natin sa kalibutan so natin yung madali na instead na magpasalamat ikaw sila sa inyong buhat ilang isok yun so hindi tatanong mo bali sa diri sa tao tanang nga yung buhat ilang
Okay, so naman din na it's better na kapag kasawag tao is yung mo yung it's better to give than to receive. So isa pag na kung ano ka dira is ka na sa kung ano ka sila mag-abot sila na sa ito sa tebas mo, lakaw mo, sa balaak mo, pagpantay mo yung mga qualities. So now let's move in. Nasa sa tayo laing activity which is oral scenario activity. So kani group 3 groups gihapon tong kanina. And then each group will create a short oral scenario. So Sacrificing oneself, bitaw pa katong gibuhat ni Jesus Christ, di ba? As we all know, na bitaw represent ang Ginoo as katong si Happy Friends ni God, di ba? Ang sa pag-ibuhat si Ginoo nagpalansang sa cross, di ba? Kanang bisag kanang ay daw siya kanang iyang self na ay katong self may kanang kanang ihatag niya tanan ba kanang di ba dagan siya gibuhat mga miracles, di ba na siya napaayo ng mga isang namatay na is napabuhin niya balik na napoy katong sanay katong ay kanang sa loob puro daw may ihapon ay napaayo so nga na walang nag-represent atong mga miracles niya is nag-represent atong mga panghatag niya atong niya kuan level sa iyang ang pasya pati pa niya but at the end kay ang mga tao di ba ang mga tao is kanang ilang sa pag-ibuhat nila sa di ba ng mga tao si Jesus Christ ilahan ang dineglect ang gibuhat ni Jesus Christ parehasad sa na nitapo bitaw din sa story na di ba at the end is bitaw sa liham ni Dal and Ray na di ba ang Happy Friends is kanang bitaw gi-remove budget siya bitaw nga kanang bitaw para nila wala na kasi dili na kanindot so ingana kung love na ako bitaw ang gibuhat sa mga tao sa siya kung gibuhat ni Jesus Christ sa dire sa katong imbes ng mo to yung makatabang na to para makakasave
Baisu village. Okay, so the people there were happy, living happily and peacefully. Then one day a monster appeared. So it destroys the entire village and gives people trauma. And then something happened. So Naasikan, which is the hero. So Sikan defeated the monster, but he died. So but he died. And then the people gonna treat or igual nila nga as a hero. And then it serves as gonna become what siya? Sikan is after siya namatay mura so nanghimo siya ng kanang bukid. O kanang mga basta nanghimo iyang kanang body is ito ginahimo kanang bukid which is called kanang kanlaon. Okay, so ang symbol ato is monster serves as the evil or ayaw naging evil kanang destruction. While can serves as the kanang hero or Jesus which is kanang what next.
Okay, very good, Heaven. Now, Tutu, di ba kayo yung Tutu? Ready? Again, so it's my turn. So we're in a group and today I'm going to share with you my personal experience. I will be connected to our story, which is Happy Twins. So since I am the youngest daughter of my mother, ako pinaka-youngest na girl sa mga ko ni Malay. So since I was in the Lamang, like you graduate to grade 12, and then nagpili ko or choose ko within muskwela ko Bible school or muskwela ko college. So this time, diha ni sugod ang i-sacrifice ako ang college life tungod kay mas giuna na ko ang Bible school. I-sacrifice ko ako datag ako 3 years dito sa Bible college. And also for that, in that case, a lot of my family or mga relatives, cousins, and all mga kanang doon ang mga pamilya is i-persecute me. Like, kanang hindi pa man ipaskwela sa Charlie, di ba? Anong isaya-sayangan ng panahon or the years na dapat unta mo, na siya sa karon, di ba? So this time, ato is na-sure ko na ko nga dili sayang akong years na gihatag tungod kay I know nga daghan kay kong tao nga natabangan sa since na eskwela ko ito sa Bible school. And then also, kung mabunay ko na ko ang character is ako man, ako ang character, and then the setting will be the church and the school. And also the conflict of this is when my family is against ako ang decision. Not my own family, but my relatives, the cousins, so kung isa may mga doon ako, kung na bitaw, sila nakalisod kung ang pamilya na kontra. And then, pag-focus siya mga man versus man, no? Sa kuan ka, ito lang ko. And then for the symbol, it presents like a sun. Why it's a sun? Kaya kung ang sun, na ay time na mo ano siya, mo south bitaw, and there will be time na mo rise at siya. So, it's not literally nga mo ikon na kanunay na ito makaupos, pero mo rise then after that. So, mo rise ka shine like the brighter sun in this world. So, that's all.
One, two, three, 1, 2, 3.
So now, let's complete sa atong assessment. So, read each question carefully, write your answers clearly, and one of you will give your answer. Taking the test. Then, assignment. Then, that will be all. Thank you. So, objectives. So, did we identify 3 elements of the short story and explain how they contribute to the theme of the Happy Prince?
Yes.
Then you share insights about the message of the story and apply them to real life experiences?
Yes.
And lastly, did you orally present a group created scenario showing how story elements contribute to the theme?
Yes.
Okay, so that would be all.
Ang sa title,
Thank you.
topic ma'am.
Ikaw na?
Pagkawan sa Okay na?